Hello everyone, welcome back to Pravyab Now. This is Pranav and I wish you a happy Diwali. Assuming it's still Diwali when you watch this video. I'm back with a new episode, new topic, new curtain and a better, hopefully better camera angle. So let's get started. As you must have read the title, I am going to talk about a very serious bird which is misunderstood not only by us but by the whole world. Yes, it's turkey, not the country, the bird. Turkey is called Turkey in English, but in Turkey it's called Hindi. In Hindi it's called Peru, and God knows what it's called in Peru. It's called Pointe de Inde in French, which means Indian bird. But in Greek, it's called French bird. In Breton, it's called Spanish chicken. In Malay, it's called Dutch chicken. So what's up with this bird and why it's called with different names in different parts of the country? Different parts of the world. Well, the modern turkey, the bird turkey, locally known as pavo or gwesting. Anyway, so this pavo bird is indigenous to the American continent, and there was a similar wild guinea fowl found in Africa, which was sold by Arabs to Europe, and just because a lot of Arabian Peninsula was under Ottoman Empire, it was called Turkey. So when the idiotic Christopher Columbus thought that he have founded India, so everything he found there was named after Indian. So that this pavo bird was called Indian turkey, because they thought, oh, it's like turkey but it's from India. And that is why it's called an Indian bird, although it's not Indian at all. In Turkey, it's called Hindi. I think I mentioned that. So, the first theory goes that the British used to buy these birds, these fowls from Turkish merchants, and that's why they were called turkey. And when they came across this new breed of bird, they started calling it turkey as well. The second theory is that the Arabs and the Turkish merchants had actually domesticated this bird after taking it from the New World. Even after so many centuries, it's still called turkey in Turkey. No, it's called turkey in at least pineapple, a fruit which was found in this new continent called America, was referred by the same name by most of the world languages, that is ananas, except for in English where it's pineapple, because apparently ananas can mean something else. This is Pranav signing off from Pravyab Now. Stay tuned for new episodes, hopefully more frequently than before.